Hi, I'm Brenda Ridgway, and I've been coming to Aliberi's for many years for different reasons. And one of my reasons is I have a osteoarthritis in my right knee, and I've had it scoped twice, and I've had shots in my knee through the years, but they wanted to give me a new knee. And then I saw this CET treatment at Dr. Aliberi's, and it suggested if you don't want to get a knee replacement, try this. So I called up and made an appointment, and I've been coming, and my knee is getting better. I'm in the middle of my 5th week, and it's feeling so much better. I do spin 2 days a week, and I do yoga 2 days a week, and I've been able to enjoy my classes. My knee doesn't hurt as much. I don't have to take as much ibuprofen or apply ice afterwards. So it really has helped me a lot. I really appreciate everything they do here. Everybody is so kind and so helpful. I love this place. Thank you.